Good morning. Last night we stayed inside a beautiful coffee plantation on the outskirts of Chikamagalur. From our room, we could even see the majestic Baba Budangiri Hills, the place where coffee is believed to have first arrived in India. Not a bad view to wake up to. After a satisfying breakfast, we headed west towards Kemmanagundi. The drive itself is worth the trip. Around 65 kilometers of smooth winding roads through endless coffee estates, tiny villages, and misty hills. We took our time and enjoyed nearly 3 hours of pre-monsoon driving. Sometimes the journey really is better than the destination. To reach Hebbe Falls, private vehicles are allowed only up to the entrance of the Bhadra Tiger Reserve. From there, everyone has to hire a forest authorized 4x4 jeep. A small tip before you come, they say online payment only, but there's almost no mobile network. So suddenly it becomes cash only. Welcome to the jungle. And yes, this is a real tiger reserve, not tiger reserve just for the signboard. Actual tigers live here, somewhere, hopefully not beside our jeep. My uncle had been here before, so he gave us some expert advice. Sit at the back of the jeep. My mother immediately wanted me to sit safely inside. Thankfully, Dad rescued me. Because if you're coming all this way, you might as well get the full chiropractic treatment for free. The road is unbelievably rough. Then the rain started. Dad became an instant superhero and covered my head with his camera rain cover. For nearly 8 kilometers, we bounced through the forest for about 40 minutes. Every turn, I kept asking myself, is this where the tigers appear? Maybe he was watching us and thinking, These tourists are entertaining enough. Spoiler alert, no tigers.
খারাপ ছিল এখন এই পাথরগুলো না এমন বেরিয়ে বেরিয়েছে এখানে নেমে যা এটা লাগবে মশা জন্তু গোবর
জন্তুতে আবার কি করবে? জন্তু তোমার ট্রেন জন্তু হবে।
আফ্রিকা তো বাট প্লেন লাইন সোজা ঘরটায় চলে যা।
The jeep finally stopped. From there, another kilometer on foot, and right on cue, the rain became heavier. So there we were, completely soaked, standing in the middle of the forest, waiting for the rain to come down. As soon as it eased, we started walking, a narrow, red, muddy trail. Rain, dense forest, leeches, and somewhere out there, tigers. Honestly, it feels like walking into an adventure movie.
এখান দিয়েও গাড়ি যায় মানে হ্যাঁ ওই ব্রিজ
Soundtrack, rain on the leaves, bird calls, countless insects. The sound of mountain streams. Nature doesn't need background music. There are several tiny streams to cross over narrow little bridges, making the hike even more enjoyable. And then we heard it before we saw it. Hebbe Falls, a magnificent two-tier waterfall crashing down through the forest. The sound alone makes the entire journey worthwhile. The only disappointing part? The ropes around the plunge pool. Of course, they're there for safety, but visually, they do take away a little bit of the wild beauty. Meanwhile, Bunty uncle didn't waste a second, straight into the water. Dad being dad was busy photographing everything. The jungle, the waterfall, and apparently feeding two hungry leeches attached to his leg. See, we had actually planned to carry salt. Naturally, we forgot. Mission accomplished, adventure completed, and unexpected blood donation included too. Now we are heading back with wet clothes, muddy shoes, tired legs, and memories we'll never forget. The forest ranger's jeep became my mother's safe shelter while the rest of us slowly returned from the waterfall. What a day! Coffee plantations, tiger reserve, monsoon rain, leeches, a spectacular waterfall, and one unforgettable adventure in the Western Ghats. I'm completely soaked now, so it's definitely time for a change of clothes. If you enjoyed traveling with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next adventure. See you in the next video. Bye.